Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to install Lua Tools. It's a very simple process, and I'm explaining the manual method because the code method is not working. First of all, you need to go to a website, but be careful. Don't click on anything random there. Otherwise, unwanted files or pop-ups may appear. If something gets downloaded or opens by mistake, do not install it. After that, when you open Steam, you might see some pop-ups or changes. Here, make sure you don't click on Exit Steam or any wrong option. Now, you need to go to your Steam folder. Inside it, you will find a folder called Plugins. If the Plugins folder is not there, you need to create a new folder manually and name it Tools. Then copy all the required files into the Tools folder and extract them there. After that, delete the old or unnecessary files and keep only the required ones in the correct place. Now go back to Steam, save the changes in Settings, and click on Reload Now. So Steam restarts automatically. After restarting, when you open your library, you should see Lua Tools or the related tool Game added there. That's it for the process. If you still face any issues, feel free to comment. I'll help you out. See you in the next video. Goodbye.